Another morning light streams in, and I can feel your peace begin. It's in the quiet of this place, a simple sign of all your grace. And my heart is filled with thanks for the hope that faith unpacks in the small things that I see.
Hey cousins, welcome to Life and Faith with Kirsty. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Kirsty. I'm a child of God, I am a wife, and a mother, a Zimbabwean living in South Africa. And I'm so happy that you clicked on this video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. And you know you're my favorite cousins. To those who are seeing me for the first time, like I said, my name is Kirsty. On this channel, we do everything and anything godly, from cooking, shopping, what else do we do? We sit downs and everything, as long as it's happening in someone's life, we'll talk about it, but in a godly way. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking fritters, and yeah, I'm going to be cooking a snack. I'm going to be cooking fritters. My daughter is going to be helping me, so stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe. So for the recipe, you need potatoes, you need carrots, you need peppers, any veggies that you have, but I'm just showing you the things that I used myself. You will also need eggs, and then leftover rice. I'm using leftover rice, but some people, they don't use rice, they just use the vegetables that they have, but potatoes being the main ingredient. So, and your spices of your choice. Next thing, you grate your potatoes and your carrots, then you mix everything together. So now I'm going to leave you watching the video.
the quiet of the morning, when the world is still asleep, Dorcas women rise in service, sowing love that angels keep, healing hearts with acts of kindness, lifting burdens day by day, sharing Christ through every gesture, showing others heaven's way. Arise, Dorcas, arise, for there is no more time. Jesus is calling you to rise up, to let your service shine. Arise, Dorcas, arise, let your light break through the night, for the Savior needs your hands. Go and live his love inside.
Mangwanani pakachena, nyika isati yamuka, vakadzi vedoka vomuka, vachisimudza vane nhaka, vanosunga moyo yakatyoka, vachibata vanorema, nemabasa nerudo vanoratidza Jesu shema.
Simukai, Dorcas, simukai, nguva yasara ishoma, Jesu anokuda naye kuti mumuke, mubatise rudo rwake. Simukai, Dorcas, simukai, chiedza chenyu ngachibire, Ishe anoda maoko enyu, endai mubate basa rake. Widows, children and the weary, many souls in need of care, Dorcas stands with open arms, spreading hope through every prayer, clothing hearts with love and mercy, sharing bread with those in pain. In each step of faithful service, Christ is lifted once again. Arise, Dorcas, arise, for there is no more time. Jesus is calling you to rise up, to let your service shine. Arise, Dorcas, arise, let your light break through the night, for the Savior needs your hands. Go and live his love inside.
Mupfumi murombo nyerera, vose vanoda rubatsiro, Dorka inovhura maoko, ichivapa rudo neugaro, kupfekedza vane shungu, kugovera vari pakushayiwa, mushure memabasa acho, Jesu anobuditswa pachena.
Arise, Dorcas, arise, for there is no more time. Jesus is calling you to rise up, to let your service shine. Arise, Dorcas, arise, let your light break through the night, for the Savior needs your hands. Go and live his love inside. Nguva yekupedzisira yaswedera, zviratidzo zviri pano, Dorcas rambai muchishanda, kudzikinurwa kwava pedyo, mashoko enyu nganzwikwe, rudo rwenyu ruparare, kusvikira Jesu adzoka, mwenje wenyu ripenyere. Simukai, Dorcas, simukai, nguva yasara ishoma, Jesu anokuda naye kuti mumuke, mubatise rudo rwake. Simukai, Dorcas, simukai, musimudze mureza wake, nokuti Jesu achadzoka, achatora vakamirira. Arise, Dorcas, arise, for there is no more time. Jesus is calling you to rise up, to let your service shine. Arise, Dorcas, arise, let your light break through the night, for the Savior needs your hands. Go and live his love inside. Arise, Dorcas, arise. Jesus is calling you to rise up. Arise, Dorcas, arise.